Have you ever witnessed the amazement in the eyes of a child watching a balloon artist create incredible animals right in front of them? You may have seen it done on the street, at a festival, or even at a birthday party. In any case, kids really enjoy watching balloon animals being made. But even more, they love learning to make balloon animals by themselves. For a child, it's almost magical. But it goes even further than that. Child psychology experts say that kids actually benefit from learning skills such as creating balloon animals. That's because instead of watching balloon animals being made, teaching kids to do it empowers them. If you teach your kid how to create balloon animals, you're helping them become more confident and self-assured. You're also helping them develop motor skills, spatial cognition, and hand-eye coordination. As you may know, self-esteem is one of the most important personality traits, especially for kids, because it's crucial to happiness later in life. It helps them live a better life and achieve more in the future, and that's something all parents want for their children. Balloon art is fun, creative, and makes people happy, especially children. Kids learn to produce something tangible, which gives them a tremendous feeling of accomplishment. This online course consists of 8 entertaining episodes that explain the secrets to creating awesome balloon animals. It's great for both boys and girls, especially those aged 4 to 9 years old. Click the link in the description to get a sneak peek at some of the projects your child will learn to create. All of the videos are high quality and downloadable. No DVD player is required. Each episode is fun, entertaining, educational, and teaches a positive life lesson. The experts agree and highly recommend The Secrets of Ballooning. It's beneficial for kids. Go see the full testimonials from experts by clicking the link in the description. Most of the balloon courses out there are very basic and made by clowns, not professional balloon artists with years of experience. The Secrets of Ballooning is unique. You can see everything being done step by step. That makes the process a lot easier to follow than the written instructions of some other courses. It's specifically designed to appeal to children. The videos are short, so they help hold the attention of young children. And on top of that, they're fun. So click the link below and get immediate access to The Secrets of Ballooning. This is a fun skill that your kid will carry with them for the rest of their life. Go check it out. There's really nothing else like this course. Try it out and prove to yourself just how much fun and enjoyment you and your child will get from it. Get full access right now. This is a one-time purchase. There are no monthly fees. Go check it out. Your kids are gonna love it. And you will too. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Wait online video. Have a nice day.